Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to EngRabic. In today's lesson, we'll try to learn how to say the word guess in Arabic. How to say the word guess in Arabic. And as we always do, we will be using the word guess in Arabic sentences so that we can clearly understand how to use the word guess in Arabic. You can download free of cost PDF from the link given in description. Just go and get the PDF in your mobile. Let's now start the lesson. Now we have the word guess. In Urdu, we say it andaza lagao. In Urdu, we say it andaza lagao, and in English it is called guess. While how to say this word in Arabic? Let's now understand its meaning in Arabic. Its meaning in Arabic is khammin. Khammin. It is used when we address to male, masculine, while khammini Khammini is used when we address to female. Khammin is used for male. Khammini is used for female. This is the literal meaning of the word guess. So now we have to use the word guess in Arabic sentence. We have a sentence, guess what I found. Guess what I found. अंदाजा लगाओ मुझे क्या मिला. अंदाजा लगाओ मुझे क्या मिला या मुझे क्या हासिल हुआ. Guess what I found or guess what I got. We can translate it as خمن ماذا تحصلت. خمن ماذا تحصلت. خمن will be used as it is, while ماذا تحصلت is what I found. What I found is ماذا تحصلت. خمن अंदाजा लगाओ, guess. If we are addressing to female, then we will say خمني ماذا تحصلت. خمني ماذا تحصلت is used for female. Next sentence is guess the correct answer. Guess the correct answer. Its translation in Urdu is दुरुस्त जवाब का अंदाजा लगाओ. दुरुस्त जवाब का अंदाजा लगाओ. Here is its Arabic translation. खम्मिनिल इजाबत सहीहा. खम्मिनिल इजाबत सहीहा. दुरुस्त जवाब का अंदाजा लगाओ. Guess the correct answer. खम्मिन mean guess, mean अंदाजा लगाओ. इजाबत सहीहा the correct answer. दुरुस्त जवाब. खम्मिनिल इजाबत सहीहा. When we have to address to female, we will say खम्मिनी अल इजाबत सहीहा. खम्मिनी अल इजाबत सहीहा. दुरुस्त जवाब का अंदाजा लगाओ. Guess the correct answer. This sentence is for your practice. You have to translate in Arabic. Guess her age. Guess her age. उसकी उम्र का अंदाजा लगाओ. उसकी उम्र का अंदाजा लगाओ. Khammin and khammini will be used as it is, while you have to translate her age, uski umar, in Arabic. This brings us to the end of this video. I hope you are enjoying our this 4-minute Arabic learning series. If so, please hit the subscribe button and do not forget to like, comment and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.